Hello and welcome to OptiPro Systems, Knowledge on Tap. Today we're going to take a look at a new feature available to us in Mastercam 2023 known as detecting undercut stock. This is available to us in our roughing toolpath for OptiRough. For this roughing toolpath, I would start off creating a stock model. Our stock model that's going to be created is going to be of our starting stock that we would generate in our stock setup. So turning on the display, here we can see the raw material that we'd have to work with that we want to cut to give us our design that we have created. From this stock model, I would pick out our OptiRough. Parameters are going to open up. We'll start off with our model geometry. We're going to pick the entire master model that was created. Might pick some avoidance features. From there, we're going to go toolpath control. Now, because of rest material in our starting stock from our stock model, we don't need to do anything with our containment boundary. Compensate is going to be set to center. We'd pick out our tool, then go to stock, check the box for rest material, previous operations, open up the drop down, pick out one other operation, and then pick that stock model that was first generated. Go to your cut parameters, set your step over distance, your step down, and your step up if need be. In this case, I do have step over set. Steep and shallow, if you were going to detect and set your minimum and maximum Z depth. Afterwards, hit the green check. It's going to go ahead and it's going to generate a tool path that will fully cut all the way to its max depth from our stock model. And as you can see, not only is it cutting all the way to the outside and on its max depth, but because of this, it's taking into consideration the size of the tool that we are using for when it's doing this. From here, I would create another stock model. The stock model that we've gone ahead and created for the second part shows what is left to remove from material if we had created another plane to flip this part and machine from the other side. So, from there, take your 3D high-speed dynamic OptiRest, copy it, and move it down, utilizing all the same parameters that you've set before. Open up the parameters. Go to your planes, set your tool plane, comp and construction plane to the bottom stock or whatever you've named that new plane. Then go up to stock, check the box for detect undercut stock, and pick out that stock model that was recently created. You hit the green check, we can see that from those selections, our tool path is more precise and it is detecting what would be known as air cuts, reducing machine time. If we had taken this previous dynamic OptiRest, copied it down, and flipped the plane, what we have here, we would see flip running in the opposite direction based off that plane. Instead, from detecting undercut stock and picking our stock model from before, it's gone ahead and seen, hey, that material's already gone. So I don't need to waste time cutting there because that material no longer exists. So, using the checkbox for detect undercut stock and eliminating air cuts reduces machine time. And with that, thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can email us at mastercam@optipro.com. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.